Good day, everyone. Welcome to my channel. And this is on how to scout on Instagram. If this is the first time watching my video, can you please subscribe to my channel, like, you can share my video. I'll show you a new way on how to scout on Instagram afresh. So the first thing you have to do is create an Instagram account. So and then maybe you have a older account that you use but you don't know mind for messages, things like that. Maybe you want to maybe you don't have any followers on it, then you can make use of your account and then re-edit everything back to scouting account like buyer's account. So this is one of my buyer's account as you can see. So this is it. So this is my buyer's account. So I'm making use of this account to scout as a buyer, like me telling people out there that this is what I'm also doing, that I'm making a lot of sales boards last month. I'm able to make a lot of this that I just earned like $8,000. So the person will convince that wow, that he didn't make any sense that he made $8,000 last month. The person will be surprised and be very eager to message down, try to connect with you like how did you do it? So that's what we are actually going to be doing today. So the first thing I have to do is just like create an Instagram account, like I said, then turn into a professional account. Is it professional that you know, stuff like that. So if you don't know how to turn your account to a professional account, then there's a video already created. You can just check it on how to turn Instagram to a professional account. So you see there. So as you can see, you make sure you create a logo. You can also make use of a white people, a white person. You get trying to that look attractive. You get so that's why you can look for like very attractive name that's related to what you are doing. So people know that wow, this person is real, is doing the right thing. You get like that. So as for this now, I can also change the logo later in case if I want to link a store to it. So that's why I do normally do. So the first thing I will advise you to also have a VPN. VPN is very great in case you want to scout on Instagram because it will take you to the location you choose for a VPN. Like maybe you choose like United States or United Kingdom. Always make sure you make use of VPN. You can make use of what's it called? Scribe. So Skype is another VPN you can also use. I think most of us are currently making use of VPN a lot, always like that. So you can also make use of VPN. So the first thing you have to do is come to this your search right here. Like let's say let's say you want to search for food based on fashion. I can say fashion. So you can also have some things in mind that you also want to scout on. So it's not like if it is compulsory to choose fashion. You can choose people based on hairstyle, all this stylish stuff like that. People that doesn't have much that you know that doesn't have that don't have much experience about online stuff like that, then you can always search for the keyword right there. This is what we call the hashtag. Make use of the hashtag to search for my and give the search to this searching as you can see. So you can also click here and check the person's profile. And this person is from currently from Nigeria. Yeah. Okay, this person is not from Nigeria, it's from Italy. To check the person's location, you just have to click on the person's profile, like the name of the username. You just have to click on it, whether you're making use of your smartphone or whatever you're making use of. That's how you do it. So, and then you check the person, like how many followers does he or she has. So that's what will make you to see that maybe this one is currently in your store, or if the person doesn't have a store, then you really want to message them like that, and then follow them to talk about what's the experience of the store, how that's likely to earn a lot of money based on that. So you also have to make sure that you have some proof that will make them to believe in you that yeah, you are really saying the truth. Then that's why you message them. Then you later turn them, you later message them, you later forward them to your experts. So this is my own expert. You must also have a Instagram account for your expert also. I also have a expert. So I think I also have a expert account. So this is it. This is my expert account. Expert account. As you can see, I have 1,537 followers based on my expert account. So this is it. So you must make sure your expert account look clean. So that's how you do it. So in case you can also make use of your expert account to do the scouting stuff like that. So in case you don't like the buyer account, but I do normally prefer the buyer's account to scout because it has a lot of advantages, and also because as an expert trying to message people, people, there are a lot of scammers nowadays that people won't even believe in that this is what we are trying to do, like stuff like that. So you have to make sure that you have a buyer's account. Making use of the buyer's account really help you with that. When you want to be guided, then you tell them that this is the person that helped me out with my that I've been doing well and greatly in my business. So I've been earning a lot of money, a lot of revenue. So stuff like that. So you have to give them a scope like that to make them to believe in you. Something recommend to an expert. So always make sure you collect their number. Do not collect their social media account like that. Their Instagram username like that. Always collect their what is it called? WhatsApp accounts. I think that's the very great way to message them so that you know that this person is online or not. So always make use of your WhatsApp. Always collect their WhatsApp numbers. So in case, and also make sure you have a foreign account, foreign WhatsApp account. So in case you don't know how to create one, I already created one. I created a video based on that. So you can also check it out. So on my page on my channel. So you see it there. So if you really enjoy my video, you can please subscribe to my channel, like it and share it. And if there is any question you need to ask, you can kindly ask me any question you are very curious of. So good day and thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.